Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to work on the doors and put those new hinges that I told you about Dale, who designed a really nice hinge system for the doors. I just got too much wobble in my hinge system, and after looking at his and what he's done, I just think it's a much better way to go. So let's go take a look at how we're going to do this. So I've kind of cut out the old hinge. I've made way for the new one, which is going to be right here. So basically we have these oil impregnated bushings here and a bolt that I'm going to weld to the frame here, and then I'm going to support, obviously this one will be welded to the frame, but this one will be supported elsewhere. So Dale has it such that you can remove the whole setup. I'm going to actually have it welded into the frame. I'm going to have a lot of weight on my door, and so I'm a little worried that I need that kind of structure. So we'll bring some cross bars down from here and from over here and just try to give it as much support as we possibly can. Okay, so did some work over here. We got that all welded in. So that's going to be our pin. Again, we have to have an outrigger. It can't go here because we have the hinge coming up. But we might be able to bring it up top high, so I've got to measure for that. And then we'll bring an outrigger here and then one down low that will have to probably come at some angle because the hinge comes down this way. I welded a plate in there so that I can bolt the hinge to it. So that's how we're going to do the door. I've already checked it for clearance with the fender and everything. So that's all working great. And then I measured and welded up the hinge. So tacked it in place and then went ahead and welded it up. So I'm going to let this all cool off, and then we'll go check out the operation and then figure out where the outrigger's going. Okay, so we've got it all mounted up here. You can see it's mounted to the door. Got the hinge. It works really well. It has a little bit of play in it right now, but that's because I don't have this locked down. So I'm going to make a template here, and then I'm going to make it so that it attaches there, and then I'm going to bolt it to here. The reason I have to bolt it is I have to be able to slide it off in order to change these bushings if I ever need to change the bushings. So I can't just weld that in. So we'll make a little removable piece that'll actually attach to this guy right here. It'll give it a lot of stability, and we'll go from there, and we'll see how that works. If need be, I'll add another kind of leg down here to give it more stability. So we'll just keep going and see how we can do. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm probably going to put a piece across here just to give it some more strength. The wiggle's not too bad. It's a lot better than it was before. I gotta tell you, it's like night and day. So good job, Dale. This is a really great design. So I'm pretty happy with it. Tomorrow I'm gonna probably make some improvements, and then we're gonna figure out how to do the gas shock. Well, I'm pooped, so that's it for today. But I hope you guys liked watching the process of me doing the new hinges. I'm very, very happy with them. There are two things that came out of this that are great. First one is that when the door opened before, it would actually kind of scrape against some of the like the quarter window that was going to be up in the front there, some of the interior parts and whatnot, and now it's a smooth transition and I don't have to worry about that anymore. So that's great. The second is the door wobble is way down, which is good because it means when I go to get in the car and then try to close the door, it's not going to be so out of whack that it won't go into the latch. So still got a lot of work to do. Got to do the gas shock. Got to tighten things up, maybe put a couple of gussets in there on that one removable piece. But I'm pretty happy. Let me know what you guys think. Big, huge thanks to Dale for the design and the tubing for the hinges. He's a great guy. I will put a link in the description to his page. Please watch his build. The guy is a master craftsman. So I've learned a lot from him, and I continue to do so. Anyway, thanks guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.